Hi friends, this video shows how to connect 3.5 mm wired headphone to iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. See, this is the setup. We have to use this USB-C to headphone jack adapter. Using this adapter, we can connect 3.5 mm wired headphone to iPhone. This is a product which you have to purchase. USB-C to headphone jack adapter. See, this is the adapter. This is a type C pin and this is the headphone port, 3.5 mm port. A USB type C pin we can connect to iPhone. Okay, then here we can connect headphone. Okay, done. This way, using this type USB-C to headphone jack adapter, we can connect 3.5 mm headphone to iPhone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.